This video may contain minor bouts of violence, dirty language, and many shenanigans. Viewer discretion is advised.
Alright people, day 28 or 29 or one of those days. We're up at Molly's Ridge Shelter?
Molly's Gap.
Molly's Ridge, I think. Pretty sure it's Molly's Ridge.
No, because then we're going to Sam's Balls or something else.
Yeah, we're going to some balls. It's always some kind of perversion. But you know, so we hear some rumors along the trail that we supposedly vandalized
the Fontana Dam Shelter.
Fontana Dam
supposedly
Shelter.
Had pulled some wood off, wrote on it.
Yeah.
Also, someone else had said we were carrying guns, which is ridiculous. All those things are bullshit.
We brought spears because they wouldn't let us carry guns.
I mean, I don't like it for somebody to talk shit about me if it's true, but if it's not true, I'm gonna kick your ass.
It feels like somebody's trying to get us flossed, so whatever. If we catch you, we will fuck you up. So just know that. But we're headed to...
We are lovers of all things that have to do with the forest and the wilderness, and insinuating that we would do something otherwise to that is a direct... So you might as well just come slap me in my fucking face.
Yep. But yeah, we're headed 12 miles today. I think we're going to Derricks Knob. Yes, Derricks Knob. That's where we're going, to Derricks Knob Shelter. And yeah. See ya. But I guess we need to get... Oh, wait a minute. Look at this morning time view of ours. It's a lot better this morning.
See ya.
There's lots of smoke. See ya. Beautiful though. Beautiful people. Yeah, and we gotta get out of here and start hiking. So, peace out. Beautiful little meadow. Treed meadow. It's nice. Nice. Nicely done, Smokies. Pretty little yellow flowers. Beautiful. Don't know what those are, but they're pretty. They're just everywhere with wildflowers. This is awesome, guys. Awesome. Get out here and see this. Alright, but I gotta hike. Peace. Look at these wildflowers, people. As far as the eye can see. That's all I see is wildflowers. It's so gorgeous. I love you, AT. I love the Appalachian Trail. Man. I mean, it just keeps going and going and going and going. Look at it. Alright, people, I gotta hike. This is the first of this type of terrain that I've seen so far. There's nice open meadows and stuff. I think we've seen one meadow. It's beautiful. Beautifully done. For all the impact you guys have here, I'm impressed. 12 million people a year. I'm very impressed, guys. Good job. Seriously. Alright, I gotta walk. I mean, we still didn't leave. We left at like 10. You know, so it wasn't like we left late.
Really that late?
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, yeah, no, it was like 10. First time I looked at my watch, it was 10:40. Or my phone, I mean. People, this is the view of the day. It's absolutely gorgeous. That's Fontana Dam Lake right down there. Or Fontana Lake, should I say. Just can't get enough of this. We are at top of Rocky Bald, I think it is called. But I lose track of all these names, so. Yep. Got an old McStudley and Cody in a bush.
Just eating a pack of crackers.
Just eating a pack of crackers in a bush. This is awesome. Peace. Okay. Look at this beautiful 360 we got here.
Don't that make you wish you had wings, Patrick?
I do. Just want to ride the updrafts off the mountain. Splash down into the lake, grab me a fish, come back up.
How far do you think that is way over there on that far horizon?
Oh God. I couldn't even put a guess to it, honestly. Over 100 miles. No.
I was gonna say 20 or 30.
Yeah, probably more like 20 or 30, you're right. That's why I wasn't gonna guess at all.
Still a long damn way.
There we go, people. This is the top of a mountain. Rocky View, I think. Rocky Mountain or something like that.
Rocky Mountain, huh? Where's these oysters I keep hearing about?
Right?
I ain't
You don't
seen-
want those, dude. You don't want those kind.
I
Those
ain't
Rocky
seen
Mountain
nary-
oysters.
Nary an ocean here.
No. The Rocky Mountain oysters aren't no ocean creatures. It's the sack of a frickin'
The testicle
Yep.
festival.
Yep.
Somebody was telling me that they actually went to that and ate a bunch of testicles, I think.
I think it was somebody we were with too, isn't it? Somebody we were hiking with? I could have swore I remember hearing that too.
Maybe that, but it's somebody back home.
Oh, really? Look at that.
I think Jerome's talking about testicles. Wouldn't want to put that label on somebody. Wouldn't want to put the testicle eater label on somebody. That's not being true. Kick somebody's ass for that.
I'll put a proclaimer in the bottom. It is unknown whether
It may not
Jerome is
actually
eating
be the guilty
testicles.
party of
Yes,
this.
it is unknown whether Jerome is actually eating testicles or not. But God, it's so beautiful. Okay, but we gotta climb down now. Peace, people. Day 28, 27, 28, 30. I don't fucking know. In the books. And Derricks Knob Shelter. Because everybody's knob gets named in this motherfucker. Here's the view. With the peoples. Get old McStudley's foot. It's quite a McStudley foot there, bud.
What's up?
And yeah, we're gonna call it an early night. Fucking just chill. We are all exhausted. That was a beast of a climb in here. But I'll holler at y'all tomorrow. Peace.